Thank you to the two presidents here, and we invite next, after the president and the IPP Jodi, we now come to the president and the secretary Jodi. Call him encyclopedia, call him the Amitabh Bachchan, but he's moved heights in 2012, and our dearest constitutional president of 2008. Please welcome JC Haridarshan Salike. Welcome onto the stage. Sir, one simple question. You people all keep referring to you again and again. Are you really the tallest president of JCI Secunderabad?
You mean to say you're asking in terms of height or in
Yes.
I think I am.
How do you feel when everybody looks up to you? That means height, and you always look down to members.
It always is a great opportunity. You're on the top of the world.
So, it feels so? Anybody shorter than Haridarshan Salike? Do you feel the same? No, I think he's a very humble person. And now moving from the tallest president of JCI Secunderabad, I think we now have to come to the heaviest president of JCI Secunderabad. The secretary for Haridarshan Salike, the tech savvy, the Google, and one line who probably some people do not know about this gentleman. He is the one powerful line. He says, there should be only one rowdy in the room, and I am already there. May I invite our president of 2012 and my president, JC Shravan Kumar Madhav. Welcome on the stage. So Shravan, when did you first decide that you want to become a president?
2004?
That was the year when you joined?
Yes.
Okay, so but you had to wait for 8 long years to be there. Wonderful. And you are a national trainer, yes?
Yes.
How many training programs did you do?
Not in JCs, but I've been training a lot of people in the corporate.
Wonderful. This one is to Haridarshan Salike. If you were never JC Haridarshan Salike, how would your life been?
Not so good as it is now.
Why so? What would have been the differentiating factor?
Personality called Haridarshan Salike has been made by Junior Chamber.
Wonderful. Shravan sir, the best thing that happened to you in the year 2013, except that you got a superlative secretary.
2012?
Yes.
Even 2012?
Yes. Except that you got a superlative secretary. What is the other greatest thing what you achieved in
Well, I
2012?
became a past president after that.
Wonderful. Yes, that is true. And Hari sir, do you think 2013 was your year which was stolen from you from your life?
I don't think so. Whatever happens, happens for the good of an individual.
Okay. And Shravan, what is the best qualification a LAM president should have?
He should be calm and composed, listen to everybody, but do what he has to do.
And Harish, why should someone not become the president of JCI Secunderabad? Why should someone not become a president of JCI Secunderabad?
The junior JC cannot become a president of Secretary.
So age is a factor. So you think whoever is between the age of 18 to 40
Absolutely.
has to become a president,
Absolutely.
and there is no reason why someone should
No
not
reason.
be a president. Wonderful. And back to Shravan again. You were supposed to be the president of 2011. What happened?
Well, the toss was not in my favor. I've always been unlucky at gambling, so
they should not have been a coin at
chips are
all.
not in my favor.
So they should not have been a coin at all. Or if it had, it should have been heads on the both sides.
Yeah, some things in life you can't avoid, so I was at that crossroads.
Okay. Very good. We'll take that. And now coming to the rapid fire. I think, yeah, we have the coffee hamper. And now let's see whether the encyclopedia answers well or the Google. Now coming to Harish. Sir, it has to have venom, fire. You can be witty, but you need to answer each and every question. There is no pass. Okay. So here we go. Moving encyclopedia or Amitabh of JCI?
Moving encyclopedia.
2008, 11 or 12. Which year would you cherish for a long time?
2008.
What do you find in this gentleman's bedroom? Sunil Kumar Rumala.
A laptop.
Kamalakar Mustiala.
Sincerity.
Calculator.
No, it's a physical thing. So sincerity is
Yeah, time punctuality.
very good. Vemula Chandrasekhar.
Well, currency.
Manish Bagadia.
Petrol.
Manish Bagadia, he talks about landmarks, so lot of books.
So moving on to the next question. Leader or trainer?
If I would say it is trainer.
If at all you have to go on a holiday with one active members, these following active members, where would you go? Sirish Javaji.
Where could I? Maybe Mumbai,
Okay. Nitin Dundigalla.
Switzerland,
Anand Patwari.
New Delhi.
Kaushik Katuri.
Oh, definitely not. I would say Seychelles.
Sir, Seychelles. Okay, wonderful. I love that. I've never been there. Bhavesh Chakilam.
Sri Shailam.
Seychelles. Describe these professions in one word. Software engineer. Software engineer.
Helps JCs a lot.
Mechanic.
Helps make the world.
Insurance agent.
Makes life uncomfortable.
Banker.
Helps us make a living.
And finally, chartered accountant.
Helps you do the wrong things.
So I think that's done with your rapid fire. There was fire, but you were a bit slow. And let's test this with Shravan. Shravan, your rapid fire starts now. Most of them are very easy because you're already intelligent. How many kilos do you weigh?
90 plus.
Exact count?
I haven't checked in the recent days.
In which year did you think you would have done better job as a president other than 2012?
2011.
If not Shravan, who would you want to be? MS Dhoni, John Abraham, Michael Jackson, Vijay Mallya, Swami Nityananda.
MS Dhoni for sure.
Okay. If you were Imran Hashmi, who would you prefer in murder? Malika Sherawat, Shakila, Katrina Kaif, Deepika Padukone, Pariniti Chopra.
Katrina Kaif.
What would be your message to the people if you were the following? Baba Ramdev,
Baba Ramdev. Stay fit, stay healthy.
Arvind Kejriwal,
Stop talking lies.
Swami Nityananda,
Have fun and have a great life.
ND Tiwari,
Well, if you don't do at the age that you do, you keep doing all your life.
Rahul Gandhi.
मम्मी को पूछ के बोल.
It was truly wonderful, and this is what the show is meant for, gentlemen. I think Shravan Kumar Madhav deserves a round of applause, and also this beautiful hamper. Yeah, through your president, Shravan. And may we request you to stay back for your wonderful coffee mugs. May I request our president, JC Nitin.